Tall Emu is a system that integrates with your MYOB or your Xero and helps you run your entire business end to end. Now, what do I mean by that? Obviously, you have your accounting software, be it Xero or MYOB, and that deals with all of your accounting and compliance stuff. But what Tall Emu does is it kind of runs the rest of your business. So it organizes and centralizes data that you have. It'll let you capture data from web forms and have those go into the CRM. It'll let you run your sales pipeline in the system to understand where you're at in the sales process, where things are up to. You can do web-based quotes, so you can text or email quotes to the customers they can accept and pay online. There's a customer portal that lets your customers all order online as well. We'll also link in with WooCommerce and Shopify to help get those orders all centralized in one place. What's more, we'll also manage your manufacturing and purchasing processes as well as advanced inventory like serial numbers. So we're this operational system that deals with everything but the accounting software, especially if you've already got, an investment in software and systems and people, and you don't want to throw away all of the time and energy that you've spent learning your MYOB or your Xero. And the other thing that Tall Emu allows us to do is where these systems tend to be quite static, and so then you're forced into Excel, Tall Emu lets you go and customize the system as well. So, for example, we can go into our custom fields, and let's say, for example, you were managing product and you needed to know for product whether a product contained alcohol. You could go in and very, very easily just make a custom field and say contains alcohol. Checkbox is done. You can do lookups, you can do percentages, you can do straightforward text fields, and you can do that across all of this parts of the system. The other thing that we're able to do is if we hop into automation, we're able to help you automate your business too. So, for example, if we make a new automation and we say, let's say when somebody goes and updates a quote in your system, we could say modify it only when the status is updated. And then we can say, for example, if the quote value is over, or the total, I think is the field that we're looking for. Is greater than $5,000 and the status changes, then send an email to someone. It could be we're emailing the customer. It could be we're emailing a team inside the business, say finance team or sales team. We can use templates to send that. We can send SMS messages. We can do all kinds of little automated things in here right across the whole system to help you streamline and automate different parts of the business. So there's a huge power in bringing things together, allowing them to be customized and tailored to suit your business needs, and allowing you to look at different data in different ways, whether it be on a map, whether it be on a Kanban board or the Trello board type situation. All of these different things, bringing together data and linking it with the accounting system and automating it really does give you this platform to help you run the business day to day. And that's what Tall Emu is about.